Daniel here with Hollow Point Industries. Here on this beautiful day out here at Three Ridges Range, trying to get this range set up. Awesome time, got some cool stuff out here, cool people. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll catch you later. Life card, 22 long, suppressed. Loud.
You can go up next. Very loud.
How you doing? My name's Dave Mitchell. I'm with BH Spring Solutions and bhspring-solutions.com. We're just showcasing a handful of the pistols that we work on. We specialize in high-powered 1911s, and we've got multiple products out here on each one of these guns that we make and install. Of course, we have some spring kits here, spring kits for 1911 for high powers and various products. And this right here is a really nice system product for the Glock. Glock, you know, obviously they traditionally don't have that safety, and the safety, this will fit on essentially any 1-inch wide Glock. So I've got here, and it's been Cerakoted in various colors just to kind of highlight the product on there. Also have this ambidextrous mag release on each one of them. This is a Bulgarian made to knock it off. Just some grip. All the grips that you see here, we manufacture ourselves. One really unique and cool product that I just wanted to kind of highlight is this SFS, or Safety Fast System. So typically your high powers have safeties. You know, this one here is ambidextrous, but let me just show you what. So assuming, you know, you've got a round there in your magazine, right? Now there's a round in the chamber. All you do is push your hammer forward, and it is safe. It's completely locked. You've got a condition 1. You've got a round in the chamber. You cannot fire, and the best part, you know, pull it when you're ready to use it. Hit the cocking lever on either side, and squeeze the trigger. So it's super nice product. It's called the Safety Fast System, or SFS, and that comes for high powers and the 1911. So we've got a 1911 here with the same system, and so, you know, round in the chamber, push the hammer forward when you're ready to fire. That's it. Very slick.